everyone, so I'm back and I've got 2 more entries into my giveaway. Now my giveaway has officially finished. It ended on the 26th of August, and if you see my last video, I had said that if anyone wanted to still take part, or they would wanted to let me know that they had already sent it and that it was on its way, then they could do that in the comment section below. So I had a couple of people get in touch with me. I already knew about, I believe it was 1 or 2 that were on their way, and another one that was joining, because I gave anyone an opportunity, because I know a lot of people did say they wanted to join in, so I wanted to make sure everyone had an opportunity to join in. So without further ado, I'm so excited, doing this a little bit later than I wanted to, so I've got a light on just to help me. And the first one, I've taken this one out of its envelope because it had my address on it, and then I'll just take this, or I'll take this one out afterwards. So we'll start with this one, and the first thing I noticed is this Prima paper, and it's absolutely gorgeous. And then we have a card also here, so I'm going to start with the card and then we'll be able to see who it's from. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Dream a little dream each day. That's beautiful. So beautiful with the florals. Oh, this is from Melus. Please find enclosed my tag for the Road to 300 giveaway. I hope this reaches you in time for the deadline, though I know I'm cutting it rather close. Hope you've enjoyed all the lovely entries you received so far. Here's to reaching 300 subscribers and more. With big crafty hugs, Mel. Melus Makes. Thank you, Mel. This is Melus's entry. Yet she did tell me that she was sending it, and I'm assuming this is her tag. Whoops. So she's made a lovely handmade envelope. Oh, okay, this is from the Prima with Love collection from my shop, and she's made this beautiful tag with twine. So let me hold that out for you. And then she's laid up the papers, and she's also put this butterfly on with some dimensional foam, and you've got the word dreams, and this is such a beautiful feeling. And then she's used some pom-poms and just this rustic kind of some twine there, and she's also included, is that a, yeah, that's a brad, so I can actually show you the back. So it's got a brad on there, and I think that's absolutely beautiful. Mel, am I showing it? It's gorgeous. And so let me have a look inside. So it swivels open, guys, and then we can see Mel. She's a September baby like me. She loves pastel colours, pinks, blues and purples, florals, corgi dogs, red pandas and anything cute and kawaii. Me too. I love kawaii. Oh, guys, I've actually got a really small actually AliExpress that order, and I'm gonna just share it with you in one of my next videos. And I bought a little kawaii correction tape in like a little ice cream. I love kawaii things. And then dislikes, browns, oranges, not huge on Halloween either yet, both of us. Craft she likes, pocket letters, embellishment boxes, flat mail pockets, cards. I like all crafts and love discovering new paper crafts too. Me too. Do you know what? In doing this, I've just found I've got, well, obviously we're all in this community, but I've just got so much in common with everybody that has actually entered into the giveaway. Honestly, thank you, Mel, for your entry. It's absolutely beautiful. So Mel is entered, and I think she is going to be entry number 12. I think that's where we got up to. And then the next one, so I'll be careful with this one because it's got my, look at that. Okay, hold on. It's got my address on the back of this envelope. And the next one, we've got these beautiful, right, because I've got the light, I'm going to have to take them out because of the glare. But guys, oh, I love these. I'm going to use these in my Willie Steph These are beautiful. I don't even know who the... Oh, there is a card. Look at me getting into the flowers, but they just caught my eye because they're on top, guys. These are absolutely gorgeous flowers. They're gorgeous. And then they've got in the middle, these are enamel dots in the middle. They're super cute. That's another way you can actually use those little enamel dots, you know, rather than just always putting them on the card, which is obviously, it adds dimension to the cards and everything, but putting them in the middle of flowers. And then each flowers have like some glitter paint. They're just gorgeous, those. I love them. So let's see who these are from. Oh, I can hear shaking. So we've got a lovely card. Oh, I know who this is immediately. I know, I've seen this. Abbigale. Guys, look at this. I watched her video, but in real life, guys, like, hold on. Guys, I just wanted to take the light off there for a second because look at this. The shaker. I hope you can see it because it is getting pretty dark in here, but without the glare, because it's absolutely beautiful. And with the heart, and then she's used, I did see this video, but oh my gosh, it is stunning in real life. And then she's got the flowers here as well, and it says autumn. And it says, oh wait, hold on guys. Okay. It says, hello show, here's my entry, my tag. I hope you like them. Also popped in some of my magical flowers. They're gorgeous. I've wrote on this paper just in case you wish to use the card. Crafty hugs. Love from Abby. Oh, wow, Abby. Guys, can you see this? Is it better with the light? Please tell me, because what it is as well, I always try to do natural light with my videos because I think they do look better, but because it's getting to late evening, I don't know if it's showing better with the light on. So do let me know in the description below, please, so that I know what is better. So that's with the light on. It is absolutely gorgeous. And oh my gosh, I'd love to send that to someone. So this is Abbigale's entry. Oh my goodness. And then this, guys, in this lovely bag, and I love that bag, she has made her entry. And look at this entry. Hold on. As you can see, I think it's better without the light on. So I'm going to show you Mel's entry again without the light on. This is absolutely gorgeous. So she's got some die cuts of some scissors. And again, enamel dot here. I think that's an enamel dot. And then she's used some die cuts, buttons. And then she's got the thread here. And she's got this beautiful twine for the... Twine, it's not twine. It's some ribbon in the same colorway. It's beautiful. Look at that. And then her information. She's a January baby, and she love crafting when she has time. Me too. When I have time. She loves mints and greens, corals, lilacs, but love all colors really. Don't craft Halloween either. Not much I don't like. Laugh out loud. Oh, fabulous, Abbigale. So let me show you, just show you Mel's again without the light. I think for me, the natural light looks better. So this is Mel's entry. Isn't that gorgeous? And she's used the with love. And then this is Mel's card without the light on, the overhead light. So this is entry, I believe, number 11 and 12, guys. Don't forget, do let me know in the description, because if I can do some evening filming, then it might open me up to do some more videos as well, because sometimes that's when I have time and it's like late evening, but obviously the lighting's not good. So guys, thank you so much, Abbigale and Mel, for entering. I'm so happy with everybody's entries. I said it again, you know, I said it in the last video and I'll say it again. Absolutely love everyone's entries. So I'm not accepting any more new entries now. I'm just waiting for the ones, like literally, I'm going to say in this video, because I know Kaz mentioned, left a message in one of my other videos. I haven't got yours yet, Kaz, but I'm looking out for it. I did say anyway I wasn't going to do the draw until the 4th of September. So that just gives enough time for the last few that have already told me for it to arrive. And I know, Kaz, you sent yours out a week ago now, hun, so I'm just hoping that it hasn't been lost in the mail. But I'm sure it hasn't. I just think, you know, sometimes the mail is a bit funny. So guys, thank you again, and I will see you in the next video. And I'll be showing you some of my little bits that I got from Ali. It's my first order. Anyway, catch you in the next video, guys. Enjoy your evening and your bank holiday weekend. Have a look at Cheryl Simone Crafts if you got the urge to get some new crafty bits. I am still working on putting on some bundles for you guys, but it's been so hectic. So yeah, hopefully bank holiday Monday they will be on by then. Enjoy your bank holiday long weekend, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.